Becoming a millionaire through real estate is not just a dream, it's a measurable journey. Each decision and the lessons learned along the way have culminated into a powerful strategy that can work for anyone willing to put in the effort. The steps I've outlined aren't merely theories, they are tested practices that can lead to real financial freedom. This journey isn't about overnight success. Rather, it's about consistent actions, adjustments, and growth over time. It's essential to embrace setbacks as opportunities for learning and to remain open to adapting your approach as the market evolves. Building a $1 million net worth through real estate requires a commitment to education, resilience against challenges, and an unwavering belief in your ability to succeed. You have the power to shape your financial future, and every small step taken leads you closer to that ultimate goal. Start today, armed with the knowledge and mindset to transform your aspirations into reality. Every journey begins somewhere, and the first step is often the hardest. It may feel daunting, but remember, the cornerstone of building wealth is setting achievable goals. Start by defining your financial aspirations, such as acquiring your first property or increasing your monthly cash flow. Becoming clear about your objectives not only shapes your plan but also fuels your motivation. As you visualize your progress, keep in mind that every action counts. Whether reading books, attending seminars, or networking with fellow investors, each small effort adds up significantly. Embrace the process. This is your unique path to financial freedom. The next phase of your journey involves not only understanding the technical aspects but also cultivating a network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for real estate. Join local investment groups or online forums to exchange ideas, strategies, and experiences. You'll find that collaboration can open doors to opportunities you may not have imagined. As you attend workshops and seminars, be sure to take notes and implement what resonates with you. Remember, each connection you make could lead to valuable partnerships or insights that propel you further along your path to financial success. Embrace the communal aspect of this journey, for sharing knowledge enriches not only you but everyone involved. Now it's time to take decisive action. Start by researching your local real estate market, identifying trends, and pinpointing up-and-coming neighborhoods. This groundwork will give you a competitive edge, allowing you to make informed decisions when the right opportunities arise. Pay attention to factors like job growth, school ratings, and community development plans, as these elements significantly influence property values. Additionally, familiarize yourself with financing options available to first-time buyers, and consider attending first-time homebuyer seminars to gain foundational knowledge. Each step you take builds your confidence, bringing you one step closer to achieving your financial goals in real estate. Identifying the right properties is a critical skill in your investment journey. Prioritize flexibility in your search criteria. Instead of fixating on specific property types, focus on investment potential, properties that can increase in value through strategic upgrades or by improved management. Remember, patience is essential. Great deals often require time to uncover, so don't rush into a purchase based solely on pressure or fear. By diligently evaluating opportunities, you can avoid pitfalls and make informed decisions for your financial future. Always keep learning, adapting, and refining your approach to find success in the dynamic world of real estate investment. Finding properties that resonate with your investment strategy requires a keen eye for detail and a willingness to think creatively. Evaluate not only the physical aspects of properties but also the broader economic climate that surrounds them. When visiting potential investments, assess neighborhood conditions, proximity to essential amenities, and long-term community plans. Engage with local residents to gain insight into the area's trajectory. The objective is to dive deeper, looking beyond superficial conditions to uncover hidden opportunities that point towards future growth. Be diligent in your research and never underestimate the value of intuition. It's often those instinctual feelings that lead to the best decisions in real estate. As you embark on your real estate investment journey, remember the importance of building a team. Surround yourself with experts who can guide you through the nuances of the market. Collaborate with real estate agents who know local trends, contractors for renovations, and financial advisors to help navigate the complexities of funding your deals. Each member of your team brings skills and insights that enhance your strategy and offer support as you scale your investments. Don't hesitate to ask questions, seek advice, and nurture these professional relationships, for they will be instrumental in your growth as an investor. The right team can provide a wealth of knowledge and wisdom to help you make sound decisions and avoid costly mistakes. The journey ahead may be challenging, but with the right support, you can build a strong foundation for your financial future. Building your wealth through real estate will indeed require resilience, and there will be challenges that test your resolve. However, remember to view these obstacles as stepping stones rather than setbacks. Each one offers priceless lessons that contribute to your growth. As you persist through hardships, you'll develop not only expertise but also a resilient mindset that empowers you to keep moving forward, guided by the knowledge that success is a process built over time. Be patient with yourself. The path to financial freedom is often winding, but it's worth every effort as you pursue your million-dollar net worth through focused dedication and strategic actions. I made many mistakes along the way, and each misstep carved out a lesson vital for my growth. For instance, underestimating repair costs on my first property nearly derailed my budget. Occasionally, I would rush into deals, ignoring the red flags of overleveraging. More than once, I let my eagerness overshadow my instinct, resulting in difficult tenant situations that could have been avoided had I paid closer attention. Each mistake fortified my resolve, reinforcing the need for detailed due diligence, and ensured that as I moved forward, I wouldn't repeat them. In the face of these challenges, my determination to learn and adapt became my greatest asset. This journey shaped who I am today, empowering me to make wiser decisions in real estate. Reaching the $1 million milestone was more than just a financial achievement. It symbolized the culmination of years of dedication, learning, and strategic decision-making. I understood that this journey was about more than just accumulating properties. It was about creating a sustainable model for wealth that would serve me well into the future. Each property acquisition, every learned lesson, and all the networking played a crucial role in building not just a portfolio, but a lifestyle rooted in financial independence. As I looked ahead, I realized that the real estate landscape held endless possibilities, and with the right mindset and strategic approach, I could continue to grow and evolve as an investor. Real estate isn't merely about buying and selling properties. It's a complex journey filled with continuous learning and strategic planning. Every lesson learned, from the successes to the failures, has been essential in refining my approach to investment. The evolution of my mindset, from viewing wealth as an unreachable dream to realizing it's built on deliberate actions, has been pivotal in my growth. As I reflect on my achievements, it's clear that sustained effort and a commitment to education empowered me to navigate the ups and downs of the market. This insightful journey is replicable, providing anyone willing to invest the time with the potential for success. The path forward lies in furthering this understanding, embracing challenges, and maintaining a focus on goals. This journey is just beginning. Now take action. Every step you take, each piece of knowledge you acquire, and every connection you forge will contribute to your success. Embrace the process, remain committed, and remember that your determination is your most powerful ally in this pursuit of financial independence. The opportunity to build wealth through real estate awaits you. All you need to do is start.